Now that our asset is it's finalized, you're gonna save the PDF on your computer and you're gonna go to the admin view. So you're gonna go to partner marketing and select print media for co-brandable assets. You're gonna click create new, print, and select co-branded collateral template. Name is the name we give we will see in the system. So usually we use the name of the asset, format, if it's an ebook, EB, and language, English. Display name is the name that the partner will see. We usually add a description. It can be like a sentence or like a short sentence that describes the asset. Here we're going to select the PDF, the co-brandable PDF. And that's all we have to do here. And then we click submit request. Now you're going to select the asset again, go to edit details. And here you can see the fields showing up here. We need to add the company logo too because it's not here. The company logo too is the logo here on the last page. It's not appearing there. Company logo too. So we're just gonna go ahead and create the field. Click new field and then company logo too. Embedded image and apply. So now it's here. All the fields are here. And here we're gonna select the tags. If I go to our partner view, I can show you what those tags are. Let's go to collateral library. So the tags are those that information here that we associate with the asset to make it easier for partners to find assets in the library. So they can go ahead here and select different filters to find specific assets. So this is what we're going to do now. And usually this is going to be available for you in the briefing document. So you just have to go, copy what you have there. So content things. So let's say it's improved CX, campaign stages awareness. The product is Genesis Cloud. And not always you will have to select all those options, so you only select the ones that you can find in the briefing document. And the asset type, I know it's an ebook, so I'm done with my tagging. If there is an expiration date, you can use this here. If not, just leave it blank. If the asset is promoted, you select the option here. If not, you leave it the way it is. If you click promoted, the only thing that's going to happen is there is a way for partners to access promoted activities here in the platform. So if we select it is promoted there, the asset will show up here. Let's go back to our admin view. Now I'm done with my settings. There's nothing else. You can review the tags here. And there's nothing else left to do. The only thing is to publish. You just click publish here. Once you do that, the asset will be available in the asset library here for partners, and I can show you, hopefully. Here we go. Oh, I see that there is one thing left to do, a screenshot of the asset. So let's go back to edit details. Here you see the option to upload a thumbnail. So all we have to do is to go to the asset file again, click take a snapshot of the cover. Oops. Let's go back there and upload this image there and save. So when I go back to the collateral library, it should be updated. There we go. So here partners can customize this asset, so they just have to click customize, and here the platform will show like these steps you have to perform. So the first one is to review the default personalization applied. So you just click review. Here partners will have the option to upload their logo in the first and on the last page. They can also put their company logo, their URL, email address, and phone number. They have the option to save that information as default, so they don't have to type in or upload the images every time they want to co-brand an asset. In this case, I already have that information saved as default, and I can preview the asset here. I see that the macro logo is on my first page, and I can also see my last page here, my information applied. I click save and next, and this PDF becomes a public link. You have two links here. One is for distribution, and these will be associated with other marketing activities, and they can be used for tracking purpose. If partners want to use the link just for internal testing, they have this preview link here available for them, so this will not impact the report. So just so you can see, it's a public link, so they can use this to distribute the asset or for internal testing. So let's just review what we've done. So we go to Partner Marketing tab, click Print Media, create new print, put the name, display name, description, upload the PDF, and submit request. Once we do that, we go back to Print Media and we select the asset, and then we edit the details. Here's where we're going to add additional fields, expiration date if we have one. We will also select the tags here and upload the thumbnail. Once we're done with all that, we save the changes, and the last step is to click publish. If we want to delete this asset, we are going to click unpublish, archive, and then delete. Now if I go back to my library, where is my library? Here, if I go back to my library, the asset won't be here anymore.